Hi, my name is Maddey, and this is about earthquakes, and it's the San Francisco earthquake. This is what causes it. It happens on the Earth's crust when the plates grind against each other along the lines called faults. When the plate's motion is blocked, stress builds up, and the fault gives way, causing seismic waves. Seismic waves are the measurement of the intensity, how strong. The earthquake can be on a scale of 1 to 9. This is the effects. Earth's surface cracks and creates mountains and holes, and cars can go through, and houses can fall through. People can fall through it, which could hurt them. We could even be killed. Tsunamis are a result of an earthquake. Property is damaged. Houses and buildings crumble. Cars fall into big holes. Tsunamis wash away villages. Many deaths result from earthquakes. The average of 10,000 people die every year from earthquakes. The frequency it happens every day, but most are not felt by humans. Every year, 100,000 to 1.3 million earthquakes can be felt by people. Only about 1,000 of those are strong enough to damage property. Places that earthquakes can happen are the United States, Japan, China, and Haiti, and a lot of other places around the world. This is where it happened and where it occurred. It happened. Great earthquake kills 1,000 people in San Francisco. It happened in 1906 in New York, April 18th. A fearful earthquake killed 1,000 people in San Francisco between 5 and 6 this morning. It did not happen just now. This was in 1906. So, case study: the earthquake occurred at 5:15 a.m. with its epicenter was just offshore of the city of San Francisco. San Francisco had a population of approximately 400,000 people. More than 3,000 people died, and it destroyed more than 28,000 buildings. It left 250,000 people homeless. Fires of other buildings lasted over 3 days. And they didn't have enough food to eat, and they didn't have any water because of the buildings going down, because it made them fall down, so it crashed everything. So now, this is the statistics. San Francisco's Marina district suffered extensive damage. Ranks at one of the worst natural disasters in U.S. history and one of the most significant earthquakes of all times. Caused estimated property damage of $400 million, or more than $8 billion in today's dollars. The world's first major natural disaster to have its effects recorded by photography. Fires burned for 3 days and 3 nights. Some were as hot as 2,500 Fahrenheit. This is the aftermath, San Francisco earthquake, and here's a short clip for you, but I'm not going to record the whole thing.
San Francisco, a prospering metropolis in the year 1906, gay and festive just after Easter Sunday. Then on April 18 at 5:14 a.m. Fire followed to reap the harvest of destruction. Within 2 hours after the earthquake struck, General Frederick Funston, commander of the Department of California, ordered all available forces to report to the mayor. By 7:30 a.m., mounted troops were in action. Of Army cavalry, artillery, and engineer units, the 2-day fight against the flames had finally been won. They leveled 4 square miles of business and residential areas, over 500 dead, and several 100,000 homeless. Task of supplying food, clothing, shelter, and medical care. The Quartermaster Department established 800 normal functions. Mayor E. Schmitz credited General Funston and his troops with saving the city from annihilation.
The survivors of the 1906 earthquake, William Delmont, age 103, and Rose Clover, age 106, are welcomed at the ceremony for the anniversary of the earthquake at Lotta's Fountain at Market and Coney Streets in San Francisco. This is the happy street. This is what can we do. You can duck, cover, hold. Here are all the cases I got it. My name is Madeline Spriggs, and if you enjoyed it.